Hi guys, I'm Google. Today we are going to unbox and review Huawei's latest mid-range flagship smartphone, Huawei P Smart. Okay guys, before unboxing the phone, let me tell you something. If you end up liking this video, consider subscribing to the channel. If you are watching this video in Facebook, there is a link below as well to subscribe to this channel. If you are a regular visitor to our channel, thank you for your support. Can't make this without you guys. So that being said, let's jump into the video. I'm Google and you are watching Moonphone channel. Before starting the unboxing, let me tell you the spec of this phone. It has a full HD plus display of 5.65 inches with a resolution of 2160 x 1080p. For the CPU of this device, we have Kirin 659 60nm octa-core processor. The device runs on EMUI 8.0 on top of Android Oreo. What we have here is a 3GB RAM 32GB internal memory model. It also comes in a 4GB 64GB model too. It has a hybrid SIM slot. And for the camera we have 8MP shooter on the front and a 13MP and 2MP dual camera setup on the back. And everything is powered up by a 3000 mAh battery. So let's take a look at what we got here. First of all, we have the Huawei's charging brick. It is a 1A charger. Considering the battery, it will take up to 1.5 hours to charge this thing up. Then we have the Huawei's 3.5mm headphones. These are normal looking ones. Then we have the micro USB cables. Yes, this device doesn't come with these C type chargers, but I'm actually fine with these. Then we have the plastic case which comes within the box. Nothing much to say about this. It's good to have a case within the box. And at last we have our user manual that we never ever read. Okay, let's take these things aside and check out the phone itself. The moment I unwrap this device, I'm feeling like I'm holding a Galaxy S8. The size and shape of this device is very similar to the X8 except the perfectly placed fingerprint reader. As you can see, it is having a huge display and Huawei is calling this a full view display, and it is also having a dual camera system on the back with 30MP and 2MP shooters. The body is made of aluminum, but it is a really lightweight phone to handle. As I said earlier, this device has a 5.65-inch Full HD Plus display and a 8MP shooter on the front. On the left side of the phone, we have a hybrid SIM tray. On the right side, we got the volume rockers and the power switch. On the bottom, we got the 3.5mm headphone jacks, mic, micro USB charging connectors, and the speakers. On the back, we got an 8 and 2MP shooters, a flash, and a perfectly placed fingerprint reader. So let's power this thing up. First of all, let's check out the fingerprint sensor. And guys, it is really fast. Okay, so now let's check out the camera. And guys, the photo is really crisp and clear. And here are some photo samples that I took around our shop. And in modes, there are many modes like photos, pro photos, video, pro video, HDR, panorama, light panning, time lapse, filters, watermark, and you can even add more modes from the Huawei website. And the max resolution for the videos are 1080p Full HD, and this phone doesn't come with 4K or something like that. And here is a sample video that I took around the office so that you can understand about the video quality of this phone. Okay friends, this is a video from the P Smart. So this audio is coming from this mic and you can have an idea of what you are getting inside. This is it is having a good video. I don't know what you are seeing now. Okay, I'm just recording this thing, and I don't know how is the sound quality or something. Do let me know in the comments. So that it is, and it also has this motion lock feature. It is tracking my hands now. I will show you that in a minute. If I click on my hands, and it will start focusing on my hand every time I move my hand. It's a nice feature if you are recording or you are making a YouTube video or something like that. It will be really helpful for you. So guys, what do you think about this camera review? Do let me know in the comments. As I said earlier, the display of this phone is full HD plus and the colors are very accurate. And here is a video sample. And for gaming, this device doesn't lag on me. The 3GB RAM really handle high demanding games like these very easily. Yeah, then I get wrecked. So guys, that was the end of the review, and this is my impression of this phone. This phone will be a flagship killer for 2018. It has a nice spec, a really good display, and even a headphone jack. I really like this device, so this device will be my top pick whenever I upgrade my Redmi Note 3. And if any viewers from Bahrain is interested in this device and supporting the channel, there will be a link below to purchase this device in Bahrain. Okay friends, that was the unboxing and review of HUAWEI P Smart. For upcoming videos, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you are watching this video in Facebook, there will be a link below as well to subscribe to the channel. So guys, goodbye, see you around in next video. I'm Gokul and you were watching Moonphone channel.